This is the metro construction. This is the traffic jam you can see on this road. Here I have to go on this road. Big market on the. This is Sahakar Nagar Road. What's this is Vishnu Garden eating point. Wow, this is great way. Samsung Flip. Here the Yes Bank branch, and we have to see. Oh, HDFC branch is also there. Kotak is also near, and I have to Taco Bell. I have to find the Airtel branch. Here it is Kolkata Charts. Here the road is good, cemented road good, and this area looks nice. Kanti Sweets. Wow, this is Yellen Soli. The lighting is very nice, and we are reaching near to the Airtel. Roads are very wide in this area. This area is bit on height, increasing. Here on this road, parking is even dates 2468. So this is a night view of this highway, man. This is above overbridge, and here I'm walking. This is some office for bus booking. So here on this road, this has a nice mandir temple. This is Shri Dodamna, Shri Dodamma and Shri Maheshwaramma, Vyatarayanapura. So you can see this temple, very nice temple, and it is in front of this Rainbow Child Hospital. You can also visit and take the blessings. is this different? So I can capture you also.
Yes. But I
No, it's good. It's good.
Huh?
It's good. No problem. So I am planning like slowly I will explore Bangalore and
Actually, you
create
should
vlogs.
come with me.
Mhm.
I will take with you. There's so many places.
Mhm.
If we go this place,
Mhm.
this side, we have the different. Wait. This bus goes to the Majestic. From here to Majestic, just 24 rupees.
Okay. To airport.
No, to Kempegoda bus stand.
Kempegoda.
While in Bangalore, the one bus station is very famous. That is Kempegoda bus station.
Okay.
In the Kempegoda bus station, more than 10,000 buses is there all over Bangalore.
Kempegoda.
10,000 buses.
So we can plan like from airport go to Kempegoda first. Bus stand first.
Airport is this side, Kempegoda is this side. Kempegoda belongs to the mainly buses.
Okay.
Airport is for flight.
Okay.
To straightly go one lake.
Lake.
You know, Bangalore is called the Palace City. Then it's also called Lake City also.
Lake City.
While Bangalore
Palace City.
Palace City also.
Palaces.
And it is Silicon Hub also.
Silicon.
We have more than 3,000 of startups and IT companies in Bangalore. While you go in Bangalore, any area, there is everywhere you may get greenery. Okay.
More greenery.
Yeah. More
Fresh air.
This is mainly layout. Okay. Here only the families and
Livelihood.
livelihood like that.
Residential area.
Yeah, residential area, not pure residential. In Bangalore, you may get so many tourist places.
Okay.
First one is Lal Bagh.
Lal Bagh.
It is different flowers there. Okay. Second one is Kabban Park, one of the
Okay.
oldest park.
Okay, you are telling that we have states.
No,
30 states.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts.
The southern districts, the very greenery. Okay. We have the biggest falls in Asia. That is called Jog Falls. Falls.
Where water falling.
Water falling. It is the biggest in Asia. Okay. There are so many tourist places in Karnataka. In Bangalore, especially, there is 3 major parks is there. One is Kabban Park. Second one is Bannerughatta. Bannerughatta is a national park. Third one is Lal Bagh. Okay. You know the story of Lal Bagh. There is a British queen. The Elizabeth visited Lal Bagh and shouting it is very great. The different flowers we have in Lal Bagh. Okay. Third one is the famous ISKCON temple. Okay. There is a first one is Mayapura. Second one is Bangalore only. Third we have the famous ISRO station in Bangalore only. ISRO station. And we have BL, Bharat Electronics Limited.
Okay.
We have BHEL, Bharat Hydros Limited. The Bangalore is the mother of more than 3,000 IT companies. Okay. In Bangalore, the Bangalore is properly, you take 100%, especially our mother tongue is Kannada, but in Bangalore especially, the 50% peoples will come from other states, other nations for a job, because Bangalore is IT hub, that's why. Like this, one day we should explore the Bangalore.
Yes.
Okay. While we need to take bus from Batrayapura station, every day buses will start early morning 3 o'clock. It ends, the bus will end at the night 1 o'clock. Okay. Only 2 hours gap.
So means we can say it's all time.
All time. Okay.
This is HK.
This is hotel. This is hotel, yeah.
PY which number is PY?
PY.
05.
I think it's Punjab.
No.
Puducherry, I think.
Punjab is PP.
Okay. This is actually in front of this we have GKVK campus. Okay. The GKVK campus, it is more than 1,300 acres.
Okay.
Okay, we need
We can
to
explore that also.
yeah. there is, you may get different the trees. There might to be inside, I think, more than 10 colleges, like horticulture, agriculture, fishery, animal husbandry. There are more than 20 types of colleges, more than 10 types, I think. Okay. These colleges mainly belongs to the research, you know, the IUC, Indian Research of Agriculture Center, like that. For example, you take an example of any corn. If USA India wants to join summit to explore some corn hybrids, that time they will research here only in Bangalore.
You like traveling?
Yeah, I like the traveling. I'm planning to travel the entire India.
Okay.
I'm planning to travel just like I'm really like that one temple, Amritsar it is. I don't know what is the
Golden Temple.
Golden Temple, yeah.
You visited?
No, I'm planning to visit.
Okay.
I need to explore India.
Okay.
Yes.
No problem. We can collaborate on this.
Okay.
Because
This is Chandramoulishwara temple.
Okay.
This temple belongs to the Shiva. Okay. This is recently constructed. We come.
Okay. Raja Gopuram construction.
See, that's why they will. I think like this.
Construction
Yeah,
is going on.
yeah. Construction is going on. We go here, this side. This side.
Just take a U-turn.
Yeah. We need to take like this, and we reach again the main road. From there, PG is nearby.
You have bike?
Here I don't have. I came Bangalore recently 8 months back.
From where you are?
I am from Shimoga. Shimoga, it is from Karnataka only.
Okay.
Yeah, you know the Shimoga from our district, it is we call Kannada is Malenadu, means greenery. You know the idea about Western Ghats? Do you have idea about Western Ghats?
No.
The Western Ghats, this is greenery Ghats, okay? Yeah, this the mostly all rains will taken by Western Ghats only.
Okay.
Okay, the southern part of Karnataka is very rich by heritage, plants, animals. But northern part of Karnataka, it is very hot.
Okay.
We have the coast.
Which is this area where we are?
We are in southern part of Karnataka.
Okay.
Okay, we are in southern part of Karnataka.
Okay.
Okay, you want to explore the Bangalore, you should go. You do have idea about Kamath, that is Vijay Mallya and all. Vijay Mallya constructed one big tower. It is called Kingfisher Tower.
Okay.
Okay, there all most of the celebrities will leave. For example, K. Rahul, Nitin Shetty, Nitil Kamath.
Okay.
These are all houses. I think this one is recently constructed, still not open.
This is which language?
This is Kannada.
Kannada.
Shiva Shakti Nilaya Amrita Bindu.
All Kannada.
Yeah.
Only one language, Kannada.
Karnataka, there is 3 languages.
Okay.
One is Tulu, second one is Lambani, third one is Kannada. But Kannada only have the official literature.
The government means language, you can say.
No, it's not government language, but they have Lipi, you know Lipi. I don't know.
Lipi.
Lipi means words.
Lipi means in which words are used.
We use Kannada word. For example, how you people using Hindi, Punjabi, just similar to Hindi.
That is a Lipi.
That is the Lipi. The words we call Lipi. For example, A, B, C, D is the Lipis in English.
English Lipi.
For example, A, E, it is in Kannada, like that. The Kannada language is very rich. We got the first, in 2008, we got Sanskritic place. This is called street, yes. This is homemade charts, I think.
Homemade charts.
Yeah. We get Pani Puri, Sev Puri, and Karnataka's we called the famous one called Obbattu. You know Obbattu?
No.
It is, for example, they will take maida, they will stuff inside coconut, sugar, and different some other stuff. For example, almonds and all, like that.
Where we can get that?
Here only. You should order in Blinkit. Just over to.
Is rent available?
Office space available for rent. 2 lakhs.
This area is good.
Yeah, this is residential area, na? That's why. What you feel about today's food? This biryani belongs to Hyderabadi.
Okay.
That palav you eaten vegetarian, na? That belongs to Karnataka. You know what is the difference between Karnataka biryani and Hyderabadi biryani?
No.
They first made the biryani while using I don't know exactly the different masalas.
Okay.
They first made they will make curry, then add rice. But Karnataka not like that.
Okay.
Along with chicken, they will add rice in the cooker. They in Hyderabadi they will make both chicken and rice differently. Different pot. Pala, I don't know.
Okay. This is street drugs.
They are very healthy, because they will here in Bangalore, all people like the street dog the most. Every day they will feed. Every day they will feed.
This is real estate.
Here we get once apartment is there, Skyline apartment.
Okay.
Yeah, just 100 meters from here. You go.
This is Akshata Nati style. This is belongs to
The nati, the word they will use the local chicken. Means whatever we eating the chicken, that is white color.
Which way?
We go like straight. This is Udupi delicacy.
Just return back.
No, here only we should go straight. You know the Udupi delicacy. This is hotel. This is
Our
Udupi.
place is this side.
No, this side. We go again back.
Straight, explore.
Just explore. This is called chicken grill.
Okay.
This is called Udupi grill. This is 100% vegetarian.
Okay.
Okay, this is
We
100%.
will only cover vegetarian.
This right, they will not make it. They will 100% vegetarian. Udupi is a district of Karnataka. There is the people of 95% are Brahmins.
Like in where?
Udupi, one of the district in Karnataka.
Skyline Beverly.
This one.
Skyline Beverly
Yeah.
Park. What is this? 2-3 BHK ready to move.
Yeah, ready to move the land owner share on received. Because okay, we go back, or else we need to explore till there.
Today it's enough.
Enough. Okay. One day we go. Okay.
Slowly we will cover.
Okay. Didn't you have YouTube channel?
Yes.
How much subscriber you have?
1500.
Okay, you should make the videos in Bangalore. You definitely after. What is your plan in Bangalore? Isn't you need to stay here at least 2 years or 1 year?
See, rest. Everything depends on God's plan. First thing
Okay.
means if everything keeps going good, so I am here.
This is different. You just capture. Okay, this is called
Spinach.
Spinach. Yes. We called Kannada language
Sappu.
Yes. You should learn Kannada. I teach you the 5 Kannada the word. While you're going any shop, you should ask how much.
How much?
Yeah, you should ask
Means
how
how
much
much price?
means how much means S2. How much means S2.
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 Yes, okay. If you need anything, that time you should tell Beku. If you while you going any shops, if you need any product, that time you should tell the owner Beku.
That I need something.
Yeah, Beku.
Beku.
S2 Beku. This is called Dari.
This.
Yeah, this road we call Dari.
Dari.
This trees we call Mara.
Okay.
Okay. Shops we call Angadi.
Okay. So we will do 2-3 things.
Yeah.
We have different sections.
Yeah.
First thing we will do is like this way we will explore.
Yes.
See what is there, what is there.
Yeah.
Keep creating the video.
Okay.
Second thing we will do.
No, we should compare the words in Kannada, English, and your language.
Okay.
For example, I will take an example of best word. What you called rain in your language? Barish.
Barish.
In Punjabi, what you called?
Punjabi also it is barish.
Barish. Okay. In southern part of Karnataka, we called male. Northern part of Karnataka, we called barish.
Okay.
Both word we use.
In Kannada also seeing barish.
Yeah. Northern part of Kannadigas. Southern part we called male.
Okay.
What you called light?
Roshni.
Roshni. We called bedaku. What you called umbrella?
Chhatri.
Kannada it is also chatri.
Okay.
Okay. What you called for example, chapati is a normal English word we use. What you called roti in your language? Roti. In Kannada also roti. What you called flower in your language?
Full.
Kannada also full.
Okay.
Okay, Kannada some part we use the who, but most of the cases we know the who. What you called pan bida?
This is for sale.
This is also for must.
So we have to go on positive tracks only.
Okay.
Right?
This is not belongs to the phone company. This is the third party vendor like Sangeeta. They will the third party vendor. It is very famous in Karnataka, Sangeeta Mobiles.
Okay.
You should go one day Mall of Asia. The Mall of Asia, one of the South India's biggest mall. They recently opened nearby Batanpura, just opposite to your office, just 15 meter.
Okay.
Yes.
But you say this Kannada.
We called Gili, Pakshi.
Pakshi.
Yeah. What you called banana? Khela.
Kela. Other thing I am saying is we will sit and create videos.
Okay.
Like sitting in room, we will create.
Okay, like that.
Where is this one?
This one only our PG.
Coconut tree, yes.
Isn't in Punjab?
No.
Isn't this type of?
It grows here.
Not in Punjab.
There it grows, but very less.
Very less. We have this plantation in home. I
Okay.
will show.
Beside your home river.
We have river.
Okay.
Okay, I will show that river. This is beside of our home.
Okay.
Okay. This is beside of my home. This is the biggest river. It is we call it Kumaduti.
Kumaduti.
Yeah. This river, the southern state of Karnataka in Shimoga.
Okay.
Okay. It flows from.
Okay.
Okay.
Where it is?
This is the Upanadi we called. It is called I don't know.
Upanadi.
Upanadi. We call in Kannada. I don't know the proper words in English. There is one major river called Tungabhadra.
Tungabhadra.
Yeah. This Kumadwati is a son of Tungabhadra. Kumadwati river is a son of Tungabhadra.
Okay.
Tungabhadra starts from Gangamulu, Chikkamangaluru.
Okay.
It flows till Andhra Pradesh, more than 1,000 kilometers.
Okay.
This for more than 10 lakh farmers. They will doing more than I don't know the Rabi we called.
Ravis.
I don't know
Ravi
exactly.
Nadi. Ravi.
No, Ravi it is in Punjab. It is. I know the Punjab is the 5 river land.
River land, yes.
What are the different rivers you tell me?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Satluj, Byas.
Okay, Satluj it is go till Pakistan.
That I don't know.
Okay, nice. In Karnataka there is
I am
one-
also interested to study all these geography,
Okay.
but never got chance.
Okay.
Always busy in something.
Okay. Isn't you tried any government jobs?
Many times I tried.
Okay.
But
Along
for-
with job.
Along with job, but it requires many things.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's a time waste.
No, along with job.
For your
is good.
knowledge is okay, but
Okay.
no, you will not going to get any.
I prefer to start reading geography, history.
Okay.
We need to understand all historical places in archaeological survey what they
Archaeology.
did in before in India.
Mhm.
We need to, for example, I studied recently Harappa civilization.
Harappa civilization.
Harappa civilization, and I studied some geographical place in India.
Okay.
Yeah, isn't you know Chilka Sarovar?
No.
Isn't you know Sundarbans?
No.
There are famous geographical places in India. I
Okay.
need to explore in during my lifetime
Hmm.
all these places.
But slowly we have to plan.
Yeah,
Immediately we cannot do,
yeah.
but slowly we can plan.
Yeah. But for almost all places in Karnataka I visited.
Hmm.
I need to visit again. There is one famous place in Karnataka we called Ettinbuja.
Hmm.
Okay, this is you know the cow.
Cow?
Cow triceps, you know cow triceps. With normal cow, you know.
Hmm.
Okay, there is a like this step structure.
Some chair or anything
Isn't you doing Instagram reels?
we can do.
Wait, after coming, you all these things you pre-planned in home only, na?
Hmm.
I need to explore the Bengaluru
Yes,
first.
yes.
Okay.
Which sweet is?
This is Kanti Sweet.
Kanti sweet.
This
Okay.
is very famous in Karnataka. They
Okay.
have more than 20 branches. This founder is from northern India. I
Okay.
don't know he's from exactly where.
Yeah, I saw in Bangalore many places. I saw this.
This is the Dore Babu Biryani. Biryani is very famous in Karnataka. Karnataka, all software engineer in Karnataka, they wants to eat the biryani early morning 3. It is called Hoskote Biryani.
3 a.m.
3 am. You know the famous food street in Karnataka? From here only, just 1.2 kilometers, Sahakar Nagar food street.
Hakar Nagar.
Sahakar Nagar.
Bus goes there.
Goes there. We called, for food we call Tindi in Kannada. For food we call Tindi.
Tindi.
Tindi, yes.
Food is Tindi.
Tindi.
If I want to say, okay, let's go for Tindi.
Yeah. I need to translate this word in Kannada. Ba hogona tindige.
Bahogna Tindi.
Yes, ba hogona tindige.
Okay, chal, let's go.
Let's go.
Bahogna.
Yes, ba hogona. Okay. There is one famous layout you called Grama Nyaya Grama.
Mhm.
The layout belongs to all Supreme Court and High Court judges' families.
Okay.
Okay, there is very restricted in Bengaluru. Just from here 2 kilometers only.
That is a restricted area.
No, the normal people they want. Oh, this is mic, ah.
No, this is not mic. So I will show what it can do.
Oh.
This is a camera, good camera.
I know. Somebody will using before this one.
So we will explore using this.
How many this all electronic gadgets you have?
Yeah, I have passion for these.
Okay, that's very good, cool. Tomorrow at what time you coming from office?
Tomorrow, see, what we can do is in morning and evening we can plan.
Tomorrow
Sometime.
I will come very early, in the sense my office time will ends 5:30 only. Okay, I will came from Rajaji Nagar to here by the end of 6:30. Okay, after 6:30 fresh up and all, I will get ready with 7 o'clock.
Till 7 you are ready to go.
Ready to go. Let's we plan Mall of Asia. This is one of the famous mall in Bengaluru.
Okay.
Recently opened. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Mall of Asia.
Mhm.
Okay. Mall of Asia you should visit tomorrow. Then after tomorrow morning you should do yoga here. You should join with
You
me.
do? You do?
Every morning I will came here.
What time you do?
Around 7:20 I will be here, or sometimes 7.
Around 7.
Around 7.
You have a mat? Yoga mat?
I have.
My mat is at my home.
Okay, no problem. I will give my Jamkan.
Junkan?
Okay. Just like a bed sheet.
Bed sheet. What you was telling about that PG?
That PG.
What was the name you was telling earlier you were staying there?
No. While I came Bengaluru,
That there you were staying there.
see, I am belongs to farmer family.
Hmm.
I like greenery and all.
Greenery.
I want this type of
Open area.
open area. Okay,
Mhm.
actually I am staying in one small village. It is in Karnataka.
Hmm.
We called it is Sanna Gubbi. You know, Sanna means very chota in
Small.
Small.
Hmm.
We called Kannada it is Sanna.
Sanna.
Okay. I belongs to farmer family. While doing engineering, I need to take care along with farming and my engineering studies also. During engineering, I'm in the first rank of our college from first to fourth semester.
So you studied also did farming.
Farming, yeah. What I did, we have 2 buffaloes.
Okay.
Okay. My father, he got some knee pain.
Okay.
Okay. I need to support my father. My brother, he's preparing for UPSC and KPSC exams, Karnataka Public Commission and Union Public Commission. He's every time along busy only to study.
Always studying.
Always studying. I need to support my father. We have 6-acre agri land just beside our home.
Okay.
Okay. We planted coconut and areca. You know areca?
Areca.
Areca. Areca is very famous in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
Okay.
Okay, we planted areca just beside of my home.
This red color.
Yeah, this is red color. It is mango tree.
Okay. Where is areca?
I will show areca. Net.
Homegrown coconut.
Yeah. This is areca. This one is coconut. This plant belongs to areca. This
Areca plant.
Yeah, areca.
What it does?
I will show. Usually the people will eat adike ele.
Adikeli.
Adike ele means one leaf, 2 piece of areca,
Okay.
along with little bit that is calcium carbonate we called in English. I don't know in properly what the name.
Like whitewash thing.
Whitewash thing. That is you also use. What you called in your language?
That I don't know.
I don't know. We called sunna.
Sunna.
Oh, one leaf, 2 piece of areca, little bit of calcium carbonate, and use this is we called adike ele. Areca mainly used for this. Okay, this tambula we called. This is very traditional in Karnataka. This is areca. This is leaf. Along with we use calcium carbonate. This one. This is areca plant.
Okay.
Okay, we have this. Okay, and this one is leaf and areca.
Go back. Areca Ali. Here you have. This is the spellings.
This
Spellings I am asking, man.
This
This
adike ele.
Adike Ali.
Okay.
These are the spellings.
All the post meal in afternoon and evening you should preferable to eat in Karnataka.
Okay.
It is helps to increase the calcium carbonate level in your bones.
Okay.
In Karnataka, the people will get the less
Knee problems.
not knee problems,
Leg pain.
leg pains, because they will till 18 years also they will be very healthy to walk because of after eating the post meal they will eat adike ele,
Adike Ali.
the leaf along with areca. Okay, this is the major practice in Karnataka.
Tomorrow's morning 7 a.m. we will do
Yoga. Recently I got typhoid during office time.
Okay.
1 week I am hospitalized.
Okay.
After I got one surgery, it is very incision. That's why doctor suggested me to do yoga. Now I am following Baba Ramdev yogas, more than 35 yogas. I will show that photos.
I also like that.
Yeah. All 35 yogas I will do at the early morning.
Okay.
Yeah, I
All
downloaded
yogas.
this. Yeah, I researched this all yogas. It's Kapalabhati, for example, Brahmi. It helps to the brain, and that Sitali Pranayama. It helps to reduce some intestine problem. It improve your gut level.
Gut level.
Yeah, and there is one another pranayama. That is after there is some yogasana we need to preferably do the post pre-meal. Okay, just like a morning. There is one yogasana I searched, that is Vajrasana. We should
Yes.
do after the meal. It is good for health.
After meal we should sit like that.
Sit like this.
I sometimes sit.
Okay, yeah, that is very good. See, I'm thinking some people will get this health diseases at early age of 45, 15. I'm got inspiration by some politicians like Narendra Modi. See, after 17 years, we get scars in home face. Okay, you see the Modi face. he's very
Bright.
bright,
Shining.
shining.
Hmm.
He telling
And on reddish.
reddish. He telling he wake up at early morning 4 till 25 years. He not miss single day
Hmm.
for yoga.
Hmm.
Okay, that's why also we need.
That's
to,
why he reached on that level.
Yeah, yeah.
That is also the reason.
Yeah, that is also
Because
reason.
when you are fit physically or mentally,
Fit.
then you are able to achieve. Your
Yeah.
memory is sharp,
Yeah.
right?
See, after coming Bangalore, some people will don't eat the street foods.
Okay.
Don't eat outside.
Mhm.
Some people preferable to eat in 2 meals per day. They will add sufficient nutritional food. Like,
Mhm.
for example, recently I got one of our cousin.
Mhm.
She is working BSNL last 25. She's superintendent engineering BSNL.
Okay.
She suggested me she will only eat 2 meal in a day.
Okay.
For example, early morning she will eat. She will wake up around 5:30.
Okay.
First, she will drink lemon tea or black tea.
Okay.
Lemon tea, it is help to reduce your all dead cells in your body, and it's improve your gastrointestinal tract.
Gastrointestinal.
Then she will preferably eat 4 almonds,
Okay.
4 green grams. You know.
Green grams.
Green grams she will eat this much,
Mhm.
and along with that one kharjoor
Khajur.
and kharjoor and other 2 types of dry fruits.
Dry fruits, yes.
Then she will add 1 cup of milk along with little bit ghee. She
Mhm.
use proper desi ghee.
Okay.
It help to reduce your constipation problem. If
Mhm.
it is any constipation problem, it help to reduce that
Mhm.
constipation problem. After she will afternoon food she will eat only 2 chapatis, this much rice.
Dinner.
Dinner. She is following this routine since last 25 years. She is
Okay.
now 45 years old.
Okay.
She suggested me you should follow this diet.
Mhm.
That's why morning probably sometimes I will eat PG food, or else I will replace this type.
Mhm.
And she added, isn't you know the curd making process?
Curd.
Curd making.
Yes, yes, yes.
Curd making, while you
Mhm.
take the milk from cow or
Mhm.
buffalo, we just
Put in night.
till night
Mhm.
we just heat.
Mhm.
Then after it will be reduced slightly less hot. The
Mhm.
time you should add little bit curd.
Mhm.
The morning it will be the curd.
Curd.
But in Karnataka preferably we add the long chili in that milk.
Red chili.
Red chili. It is
Okay.
good. Isn't it is practiced in
No, no, no.
it is very helpful to increase the lot of bacteria in your gut.
Mhm.
You know, in our digestive system,
Mhm.
we have more than trillions of bacteria.
Right.
We need to feed a proper food in our
To those bacteria.
those bacteria.
Mhm.
She giving me this proper ascetic roadmap,
Mhm.
how we need to maintain a proper diet.
Right.
That's why also now my age just 22. I am practicing yoga every day.
Mhm.
I will be one day be good at yoga.
Mhm. Yes, it is good.
Isn't here from Bangalore? Isn't you know Coimbatore? That is
I
Adi
heard.
Yogi.
Yes, I heard.
Adi Yogi.
I
Isn't
heard.
the big Shiva's temple? There is Sadguru. He's one of the spiritual guru in
Yes, yes,
India. While you go, they recently opened under Adi Yogi in Bangalore.
Mhm.
While you go there, they will teach you yoga.
Mhm.
They will teach different asanas.
Mhm.
They will teach how you be at corporate,
Mhm.
how be at society,
Mhm.
how be at
Mhm.
how be it the good mental health.
Right.
It's all cases. Recently, one of our nephew, he went. He every time he will talk more.
Mhm.
While he entering Adi Yogi ashrama, that time he also speaking more with him along with some other peoples,
Mhm.
like his colleagues.
Mhm.
Okay, that time they will telling like this.
Mhm.
Like you understand this?
No, no, no.
Like this means don't talk much.
Keep quiet.
Quick.
Mhm.
They don't talk in mouth. They will just show hand.
Mhm.
Like
What you were telling about? What is the name of this? I am asking again.
what?
You
PG name.
This PG name.
This PG name is Nanjundeshwara.
You were staying there earlier.
Okay. We went to other different topic.
Different topic we gone.
I belongs to like that. I'm telling farmer family. I need
Mhm.
to stay this open spaces
open
and
space,
greenery
yes,
and
yes,
all.
yes.
while I came in, while coming Bangalore, I searched what is Bangalore, how was the Bangalore,
How to stay.
how to stay, how to meet, how be at Bangalore. But most probably Bangalore belongs to the place where we may get the highest greenery. I watched certain YouTube reels and Instagram reels. That time someone telling Bangalore weather is very good. But after coming to Bangalore, the southern part of Bangalore you make it the very much greenery. The northern part is very less. This is northern part what we staying here.
It is less.
Here very less. When you go in the south part of Bangalore, you may get different big trees. Okay, you should one day come with me. I will take you Rajajinagar. Everywhere greenery. Okay. That time I thought ki this PG is not good here, no tree like that. I went PG, all people they will PG is not good. I don't like. Okay. Again I went different two PGs.
Okay.
There is I'm getting smell them drainage smell is there. Okay. That time I came here. This PG I really feel like cool. Here some open space is there. We may get fresh
Some trees are there.
Some trees is there. You may get little bit air to breathe here.
Yes, right.
Yeah, that's why I came.
That building is congested area.
Yeah, that is very congested area. This area is very congested.
What is the name?
This PG name is Nanjundeshwara PG. It is very congested. Yeah. After I came here, I thought ki food is also not good Bangalore, but food also I like the most here.
Yeah, it is good.
Yeah, it is good. You should. I think you came 2 days back only. Sunday and Saturday they will give pappu. Along with you should add little bit ghee. Along with they will give papad. You should mix and eat proper. It's give very healthy.
Pappu.
Pappu is majorly made by dal.
Okay.
Okay, you should call your language it is dal.
Dal.
Our language is called Telugu. Probably they will call pappu. We call sambar.
Sambar.
You know one song famous, chutney, idli, sambar.
No, I have not heard. Share me in WhatsApp. Open that. I was going to say that, and you opened the other thing.
Okay, which one?
You like this style?
Yeah. Not this style. I like this type of jacket.
Okay.
Where it is?
It is from Punjab only.
Punjab only.
It was some sale, I think. I forgot where I got it. Or just some shop or some sale.
Okay.
I'm not remembering exactly, but yes, it is good.
But Bangalore weather is very cool.
So now I think it will rain.
No, it is not rain.
The air is feeling like that.
No, it is not like. We call this in all Karnataka we get this type of air in winter.
In winter.
Isn't Himalaya, Punjab isn't have any Himalaya?
No. If we see the weather,
18 degree.
18 degree and yeah, no rain.
No rain. I think 2 days back is rain.
Back it is not
you
showing.
Go.
Not showing.
Today
You see, Sunday, Monday it will rain.
Sunday, Monday. Yeah, why the Bangalore get the Karnataka? The most probably we get the rain in monsoon season.
Air quality 102.
It is good.
Yesterday I checked, it was 55.
55.
Yesterday.
Okay.
I don't know how it was.
Okay, very good. Your L&T is seen from here only.
Actually, I was thinking like when we do yoga, so it will be more cold, right? In morning.
Okay. Sun will come.
Sun will come. But some covered area should require.
No. We required proper breathen areas to air to breathe. Okay. While you
Some net should be there, net.
No, it is not like that. You should do the
So that it is stopping, not direct
while
air is
you
hitting
do the yoga in a hard manner, that you didn't get any you with very I don't know, but you should do in proper gut manner.
Proper gut manner.
Like that you should do.
Okay, so should we complete the discussion?
Okay.
Tomorrow morning.
Okay, tomorrow morning you came. You should come.